What's up, you guys? It's Miracle. Welcome back to my channel. And hey to all of my new subscribers. I'm so happy you guys are here. Today I'm going to show you the green juice that cleared my skin and gave me so much energy over the years. And the only reason why I had to stop making it was because my first juicer broke. But now that I have this new one, I'm making it again because I need my energy back. I'm gonna pop the ingredients on the screen, but I like to use 1 large apple, 1.5 lemon, 1/2 of a large cucumber or just a standard size cucumber, 4 stalks of celery, and 2 handfuls of spinach and kale, but I didn't have kale this go around, so if I don't have kale, I'll just use spring mix, and it tastes just the same. It tastes pretty good. So yes, and a tip that I would give is to buy your produce, wash it, and go ahead and chop it ahead of time and put it in Ziploc bags, put them in, glass containers. That way throughout the week you don't have to worry about chopping, because I feel like that's just the worst part of juicing is the chopping and the cleanup. So if you already have everything prepped, then you won't have to worry about all that. So not only does this juice clear your skin and give you energy, but it will help boost your immune system and help detoxify your body, and it'll provide you with a lot of minerals and vitamins. So if you're not juicing or making a smoothie each day, then get on that, because you're probably not even consuming the amount of fruits and vegetables you need per day anyway. Now the combination of ingredients is what's important here. You may not like the amount that I choose to do, but that's okay. You can just experiment and figure out what works best for you. Like, I personally don't like sweet juices, so I'm not gonna have a lot of apple in mine, but maybe you do like sweet juices and you can add 2 of them. Or maybe you don't like a lot of celery or a lot of kale. Just figure out, experiment, but try these ingredients. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Are you a juice person, a smoothie person, or both? And if you make a smoothie or a juice, let me know what you put in it. I'm always down to try new recipes. And I know this video was extremely short and you guys roast me all the time in my DMs about making short videos. So don't worry, my next one will be a lot longer. And could you tell I got a new mic? Could you tell I'm sounding crystal clear? I love this thing. It makes me wanna sing. Yeah. But anyways, y'all ain't ready for all that. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support on this channel. I hope to be producing more content in the new year. So bye-bye.
I had a feeling you'd come back.